I'm a mess, okay? I'm an absolute mess, and hopefully today we can sort that mess out just a little bit, maybe. Hello, party people. It's time to get that spring cleaning done. I feel like someone needs to address the fact that there is a massive stain on my jumper, and it's low-key disgusting. I don't know what it is. Like, it's food of some sort, but I don't know what food. Obviously something from that day, because that jumper was clean when I put it on. So I have no clue how that happened, what it is, why it happened. It's just really rude that it's even there. So completely ignore it. I know it's kind of disgusting. Welcome to my life. I'm a mess. I'm actually like embarrassed that that was on my jumper the whole time, you know, and I really wish I had noticed sooner because I would have changed. But no, we're stuck with it. So just get over it, okay? Stop dwelling on it. We're gonna move on. Enjoy the video and ignore my jumper. So today I'm going to be doing a massive closet clean out, but this is different because I'm completely reorganizing everything, because if you guys didn't know, which you probably didn't, my sister moved out like honestly 2 months ago, a month and a half ago-ish. And so now I get her room as well as mine, which is so good. But we actually haven't done anything in there at the moment. It's just an empty room covered in just my mess from all the packages I've been getting lately, because I have an online shopping problem.
I mean, I like shopping. Is there anything so wrong with that?
So, moving on from that, basically I have a lot more space to keep clothes, because all I have right now, okay, you guys are gonna be like, what the hell? Let me just, it's a bit of a mess. Okay, just ignore the way my drawers look right now, but this is the only clothing storage that I have. Yeah, I don't know how I do it either. I'm amazed. But I now have 6 more drawers in my sister's room, plus a closet, like a hanging. So I'm completely hopeless, and I took like a 5-6 minute clip trying to explain this, but I didn't even explain it. So basically this video is a lot more like of this video is more organizing than it is like cleaning out. So I kind of lied, but like it's still cleaning out because I got rid of so much stuff. Anyway, yes, so it's more organizational, and as I mentioned, I now have my sister's room as well as mine. My sister's room's, long story short, going to turn into like sort of like a second living room, but like just for me, like living room, office, all of that. There will be a whole video on that eventually when it gets done. But I needed to clean out some of the storage in my room, so I had to move my clothes now, even though the rest of the room isn't done. Does that make sense? I think you get it. So throughout this video, a lot of the time I'm like, oh, I don't know if I want that in this room or that room, or like in here or there. I'm talking about my sister's room as the other option. So it's either this room / here, which is my room, or that room / there, which is the spare room, my second room, whatever you want to call it. So I just want to clear that up, because even me watching this whole video, I was like, what am I talking about putting it in there? Like, where is there? But also, the conclusion I came to of what's going in what room, just so you know, because I never, once again, really explained it. I tried to explain it, but didn't really succeed. So the conclusion I came to for now, as like this temporary situation, is that in my room, this room, is going to have my more comfy clothes / less, what is my hair, I don't even know, / more like casual clothes. So it's like plain t-shirts, plain singlets, turtlenecks, like comfy pants, comfy skirts, comfy shorts, that sort of stuff. My pajamas, my underwear, all that is obviously in here. So yeah, just like more comfy clothes and my workout clothes and stuff. And then in there is obviously my dresses, jackets, jumpers, even my hoodies, I think, will be going in there. Nicer tops, or tops that have like a little bit more detail, jeans, nicer skirts, that sort of stuff. So, hope that helped. This clip has been like nearly 3 minutes long. So, let's just go back to the video. Anyway, sorry for being so incompetent. Please forgive me. Guys, I have a new talent. I'm literally Debbie Ryan. Are you ready for this? I'm literally Debbie Ryan. Okay, bye. I'm just going to start with this drawer, which is all my tops, t-shirts, singlets, yeah, any single thing that goes on my top half is in here. Also, I have two massive rubbish bags. One is going to be clothes that I'm just going to give away, and the other one is clothes that I'm going to be putting on my Depop. Plus, I have a pile over there. That pile is basically clothes that I'm going to be like repurposing, recycling. Okay, so I just found the first thing I'm actually going to be selling, and it's this top. I've worn it like one time. I wore it to Drop Fest last January, and I just have not worn it since. It is so cute and I love it, but I just don't wear it. So I'm going to be selling it. So I'd give you guys that update. We are making pretty good progress. Okay, so the drawer is empty. Here are my piles. I put a few things into the sell pile and I think only one thing into the giveaway pile. So I decided I'm going to hang up a few of my tops that do get like wrinkly and that are fancier, I guess, like dinner tops. So they're going to be hung up. Here are the tops I know are going in this room. So these are just all plain, basic tops. Here's the drawer, and now it is full. Woo. Yeah, I'll give you guys a better view. That's what it looks like. So here are all just like my plain t-shirts. Then I've got some like singlet type toppy thingies. I don't really know. And then these two are just some straplesses. Here are turtlenecks. Back there are like other long sleeve shirts that are slightly more not basic, I guess. And then these ones back here all just the printed. So that is that drawer completely finished. Yay. We're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start on the pants. And just like that, woo, we're done. So here's the layout. It looks so good. I love how much room is in the drawers. It is so great. But I will also be hanging some of these. Like, I'm thinking I may hang my silky ones, and I might even hang my jeans, and like I have these pants that need to be hung. So I think there should be still quite a bit of room in the space, wow, okay, space in the drawers, because yeah. So actually, now that I'm sitting here, I've just realized I don't know why I decided to keep this. I'm not being brutal enough. This doesn't fit properly, and I don't wear it ever. I think I've maybe worn it once. So I will actually be selling this. Also, quick note, if any of the stuff you've seen me tell that I'm selling, or you just want to see what stuff I'm selling, make sure to check out my Depop. I think it's just at Jamie Hogenbirk. So make sure you go over there, because I will be selling all of this for super, super cheap. So the next drawer that I have is my pajama drawer, and this drawer is going to be honestly a lot of work because it is constantly overflowing and I just don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. So full. Also, quick note, look how filled this bag is getting. This is my bag of clothes I'm selling. There's quite a lot in here. I honestly didn't think I got rid of that many pants, but there's like at least 5 pairs in here, so I'm super proud of myself at this point. Anyway, I'm just going to do another quick little transition because this drawer will be super boring for you guys. So here's what the drawer looks like before, and here is the after. So I did throw out quite a few. I'm not selling any of them because they're all quite old, so there's not really any point. But I did add a few to my giveaway bag that I'm going to be putting in the donation bins. So this is my pajama drawer now. I've got all my like seasonal pajamas, I guess. So there's like a Halloween one, a lot of Christmas ones, a Hawaiian shirt, that sort of stuff. And then these are all my bottoms. I actually do have a couple pairs of bottoms in the wash, but they should be able to squish in there. These are all my tops. I have my big snuggly snood, and then these are all like memory tops, I like to call them. They were actually in this drawer before, but I had enough room to squeeze them in here because I do wear some of these as pajama tops, and they're just ones that I do want to keep. So that is my pajama drawer done. Okay, so coming over here, I'm actually going to move straight onto this drawer because this drawer is like my underwear and my socks and swimmers and everything, and I'm going to be leaving that for last because I think I'm going to try and split it up between these two drawers, or possibly I'll put my swimmers in the other room. I think I might actually do that, at least while winter's happening, because I don't need to get to them very often anyway in winter. So yeah, as you can see, this drawer is quite empty. It kind of was always just a bit of a random drawer, to be honest. It had all my memory tops in it, and then my like sweaters, I guess you'd call them, jumpers, I don't know. So I think I'm gonna hang all of my sweaters up, and then maybe in here I'll just have like my daggier jumpers and possibly hoodies. I don't really know. I kind of need to figure that out, but I'll let you guys know when I do know. Once again, I'm probably just going to do a little transition so you guys don't have to watch all the boring stuff of me figuring out what goes in here, because I don't know, and that's going to be a long process, and I do not think we have the time for that in today's video. So this is what we've got right now. Ta-da! So here is now the drawer. This is all my workout stuff, and this is just a random like sweater that I take camping and stuff, but I would never wear out, and I wasn't really sure where to put it, so for now it's going in here. And also this drawer is now empty. Okay, so here we are. This is the wardrobe in my sister's room. I'm actually painting it, which is really exciting. Once again, you guys will see that in the actual video of the process of this room. What am I talking about? I don't even know. So this is what I'm doing. As you can see, I've got a few things hung up already, a lot of my dresses and like blazers and different jackets and stuff. So I'm basically just gonna go ahead and do this. I will actually time lapse this for you guys as well. Okay, so we have a bit of a problem. I am completely out of coat hangers. So that's really, really great. Awesome. So that's completely fine. I'm just gonna make a pile of the other stuff that needs to be hung up, and I'll hang it up when I get more. And now I need to move on to filling up the drawers. So what is that, son? These are the drawers behind me. There are 6 once again. But these are they're a different type of drawer. They're a bit smaller. I'll give you one quick look at the wardrobe. So this is everything I've got hanging right now. I do want to add in a second rack somewhere like down the bottom for hoodies and other pants, possibly tops. I don't really know, but I do want to possibly think about adding a second layer of hanging space. That is all stuff for a haul coming soon. Obviously my Shein haul is done. Yeah, okay, look, when I said this room was a mess, I meant it. But all this stuff down here is stuff for a massive haul coming soon that I'm just waiting on a few last things to arrive before I film. That'll be the 3rd part to this series. Do a little transition for you guys. So here are the drawers. They're all empty, and they are full. So obviously you can't see them very well, but I'll show you them now. And here is all the tops. I've just got like a thick strap, like super thin strap, strapless t-shirts, and then like ones that are basic but there's something a little different about them. So I've got some one shoulder ones, the one with the lacy thing, and then this one which has the split in it. Also, a lot of these clothes are from Shein, so if you haven't seen it already, go watch my Shein haul. I'll have it linked right here so you can see where all of these clothes are from. And then back here, I just kind of have some random piles. So these are just 2 tops. They're the same top in different colours from Shein. And I have some tops that are like quite small that I very, very, very rarely grab for. But that is so loud, I'm so sorry. But I really love and don't want to sell. So that is this drawer for now. Here are the pants drawers. I've just got jeans, shorts, a pair of jeans that don't quite fit, but I'm keeping to hopefully fit me one day. And then just some skirts here. And then just all my swimmers. I could not be bothered organising it properly because it would just get messy anyway. Swimmers are something I never keep organised. But here are all my swimsuits. Once again, a lot of these are from Shein. So make sure you go check out that video if you want to see what all of these look like on. But yeah, so that is all the drawers. For now, these 3 are completely empty and it's going to stay that way for a while. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, there will be 2 more parts of this video. One where I do some tie-dyeing and some bleaching and stuff. So that should be out super soon. And another one where I'm going to do a massive... This is so funny. It's like literally just my head. Here we go. Whoa, it is so zoomed in. Ah! One where I'm going to be doing a massive collective haul of all of this stuff on the floor behind me. Honestly, I have spent so much money this month and I'm so excited to just show you guys all of it because I'm obsessed. I'm just waiting on a few more things to arrive and hopefully they're good. But yes, regardless, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll see you guys in my next one.